I'm here now at Eastham, part of Eastham, London. So I just came out from the station, as you can see, Eastham station. My back is where I can take bus, and here on my other side is where you can go to the parking, uh, where the Eastham Leisure Center is located. So I will turn this forward so you can see the what is happening on this place. Yeah, okay. Again, this is Simon Felix, and you visited my YouTube channel. Pray and hope that you will subscribe and you will see more of London. And again, take care. Many thanks for visiting, and pray and hope you subscribe. Okay, thanks. God bless.